Oh, thank you. Thank you. My mom's. I'll have to let her know she loves it. Take care. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm driving my mom's car and she has like a custom license plate, and the woman next to me was just complimenting her license plate. But I am heading to the market. I want to get some stuff to make tortellini soup this weekend. So I'm gonna pick up some tortellini and some vegetables and head home. Morning. I am heading to Pilates. I'm just wearing this bra that I actually got on Amazon, and then these Lululemon leggings. They're my favorite leggings, honestly. But I have not been able to get into like a consistent workout routine for a while now. So my goal for this year is to get back into a better schedule with my workouts. So I booked a class so that I have to go. It's 7:53 right now, so I have to leave soon. My class is at 8:30 in Greenwich, so we're gonna grab a lemon water, grab the coffee I made, and head out. Hi guys. I did not really vlog much after my workout because I just didn't really do that much today. I really just like lounged around the house and like did basic house things. But I'm getting ready to go to dinner. Why am I not in focus? I'm getting ready to go to dinner with my friend Sarah. So I just did my hair and put on a little bit of makeup that I actually need to fix. But I'm gonna pick out an outfit. Okay, I went for something simple. I'm just wearing this black tank dress from Zara, this something navy blazer, and then these like faux croc boots. And yeah, that's my outfit. We are going for a hike. It's like 50 out. I know it's right.
Which would you more? Would you center it on the wall or center it on the couch? Because the couch is going to change. The couch is going to move.
Probably on the wall.
So move it way further over to you. Line up at the end of the couch.
Hi guys. I haven't really vlogged that much the last couple of days, but I just went and got my nails done down the street from where I live. There's a place called Polished, and it's like on the border of like Bedford Hills and Mount Kisco, and they did such a good job. Like, she was so good about getting like all the powder around my nails off, and like really good about the shape, because I'm a little bit OCD about those things. I hate when I leave and like my nails don't all match. I want them like the same length, the same shape, all of that. So she did a really good job. If you're in the area, it's called Polished, and I'll just leave it down below. But I leave for Miami on Wednesday. It's currently Monday, so I had to bring like all my summer stuff up from the garage because I do still need to pack. And I was supposed to go to work tomorrow morning and then come home, get a bikini wax, and then head to my brother's, because I'm actually leaving out of Newark, which is an airport in New Jersey. It was just a much less expensive flight than leaving out of Westchester, which is closer to me. But now they're saying we're gonna get like 9 to 12 inches of snow tomorrow, so I don't even know if I'm gonna go to work tomorrow or what's going on. We'll see what happens. I finished working this morning and again just got my nails done. I also wanted to show you guys these leggings. They're from Windsor and they're very similar to the Aritzia ones I got, but I actually think these are better. Like, they fit better. I like the length more, and they're a little bit lighter weight, which
I personally really like. I know some people like that thicker material. I really like these. They're like very breathable. So I'll link these down below because I really, really like them. I'm literally munching on chips because I have no groceries since I'm going out of town. So I think I might order like sweet green for dinner because I literally have nothing to eat in my house. That's all I'm gonna do today. I'll show you guys what I pack for Miami. Basically, the first couple days, like me and my girlfriends are just gonna like hang out, go to the beach, go to the pool, maybe go to a couple of workouts that are nearby. And then the weekend will be like out, and that'll be more like clubbing clothes and fun clothes and late nights. So I have to pack a little bit of everything. So I think I'm gonna bring a checked suitcase, which I was gonna try not to do that, but I think I don't have a choice. I need to bring some like hair tools and things like that too, and a few pairs of shoes to go with the outfits I'm bringing. Good morning. I did not sleep well last night. It's 8:15. I've been up since like 5:30 and just could not go back to sleep. There's a lot of trucks going, trying to clear all the snow because we're supposed to get like 9 to 12 inches of snow today. So all the schools are closed, a lot of businesses are closed, and I don't think it's supposed to stop until like later this evening, around like 2 or 3. But I decided to do some work and just kind of stay in bed. Kaya's literally in my bed sleeping and snoring. I do have a lot of stuff to do today before I head out, but I do need to pack, and then I have a bikini wax if they're open at 1 o'clock, and if they're not open, I'm gonna have to probably do it myself, which I do have like a little machine. It's just a lot easier when someone else does it for you. It's just a lot faster, but not a big deal. Either way, it'll get done. That is everything I have to do before I head to my brother's house today. I'm gonna stay there tonight because he lives a lot closer to the airport that I'm flying out of, and he's also watching Kaiya while I'm away. So I'm gonna bring her and like all of her stuff with me when I leave to go there. But it has been snowing all night. I will show you guys. It's so pretty outside. I'm like a little bit sad that I have to do things today. Like, I love a good snow day in like pajamas, coffee, movie, games, but that's okay. I will be in warm weather soon and hopefully get a tan because I'm so pale. I am going to try to pack most of my stuff. I'll show you guys what I'm bringing. I typically make a list on my phone, which is what I did. And if I know what I'm doing every day, I think I've mentioned this in the past, but I'll do it like day by day, like what outfits I need. Right now, we don't really have a plan. We know that we're going to dinner every night and we're gonna do a few workouts. So I have 5 workout outfits and a pair of sneakers to work out in, and then I have 7 dresses and a couple of like more casual dinner outfits. I also have things to bring to Krista's house, some food that I made that's gonna go bad, and then Kaiya stuff that I need to pack and bring with me so that he has like her food, her toys, all that good stuff. So we have a little bit of a productive morning of things that we have to get done. I have a lot of stuff and I probably don't need all of this and I should probably edit it down, but sandals and workout sneakers. These are like my nighttime clothes. I'm bringing an extra sweatshirt. These are daytime clothes, socks, underwear, pajamas, all that. Bikinis, and then I don't even remember what this says. Lounge clothes? Oh, workout clothes. These are workout clothes. And then I have my makeup, and then the one bag I'm bringing is just this like Bottega bag. And that's what I have so far. I have a little list going here. I like to put down everything that I need to remember. So like I don't have my toiletries or my suntan lotion packed. I just put my makeup in so I could check that off. Phone charger, headphones, books, camera charger, camera, jewelry, hair stuff, sunglasses, and a hat. So a lot of this will go in my carry-on bag, but like my toiletries I need to pack in here, and probably like my jewelry I'll pack in here, and depending on what jewelry I'm bringing. If I bring like nice jewelry, I'll put it in my carry-on bag. So we'll see what happens with that. It is really coming down. Like, it's insane. We haven't had this much snow probably in a couple of years, honestly. But it's definitely really pretty. I'm just a little concerned about like getting the car situated later to go to New Jersey. It's a later problem. We're gonna worry about that later. Packing my carry-on bag, I have my laptop, all my chargers, 2 books here, headphones. I'm gonna wear my hat on the plane, my wallet, and then I'm also just bringing this moisturizer and probably some like face wipes for when I get off the plane. Okay, so everything fit. I'm also just gonna bring this Yeti so I can fill it up with water, and then I have my outfit here to wear on the plane, and I'm just gonna wear my Vans there. I was going to wear Birkenstocks, but I think I'm just gonna stick to my Vans. And that's pretty much it for packing. I'm going to finish doing laundry because I wanted to like get my house cleaned up before I left, so that when I come home it's like nice and clean and I don't have to do a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna finish laundry. I just like made my bed and emptied the dishwasher. I have to take my garbage out, and then that's pretty much it. I'm gonna head to Christopher's house tonight and leave from his house tomorrow morning. So I think this was kind of a short vlog, but thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in Miami. Bye.